Does silence make a man miss you? The answer is yes. No contact makes him miss you, but only if you use the time during which you implement this tool wisely. For example, waiting around for a call from him, or spending all your time partying, isn't going to make him think about you. If he sees that you aren't doing anything to improve your life, he will be less inclined to feel a desire to be close to you again. However, if you use this time wisely, and you actively work on improving your life, you can spark his attention like never before. That is what will determine the success of your no-contact period. I have made a video in the past, explaining exactly how to make your ex miss you after a breakup. You can watch it after you finish this video. I'll put the link in the description below. But now let me show you 3 reasons why silence makes a man miss you. Before we continue, I want to show you the most scientifically validated technique for getting your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend back in your arms. Even though you think it's impossible, I'll teach you how to use this technique to compel your ex to fall back in love with you again, for good. I'll link it below in the description.
You ever let a woman go and then wish more than anything that you could get her to come back? Hi, this is Mike Fiore, and in this short video...
Number 1. He gets some time to realize that he got addicted to you. Whoever it may be, we humans only know the value of a thing, unless it is lost. So, now your silence makes your man realize some hard facts. In fact, this gives some gap and time for him to understand his feelings and emotions. So, when you give the silent treatment, he realizes that he is addicted to you, and cannot be 100% happy without you. This even can make him understand that he loves you and misses you so much. Number 2, creates confusion. Attraction and confusion are 2 things that go on with each other together. So maintaining your silence can create a lot of confusion and frustration in your man. 100 thoughts start to haunt his mind, like, why is she silent? Does she like me? Did she lost interest in me? Thus he tends to overthink, again and again, remembering you all the time. And it is a known truth, that the more you think about a person, again and again, the more you tend to miss that person. Number 3, it creates a fear that you may be lost. Out of all the emotions, fear is the strongest emotions that make a person constantly worry. And fear is the first emotion that is evoked in your man when you become silent. Your silence evokes a number of fears that start to haunt him. He even starts to worry about losing you permanently. So, this constant fear in your man can create a strong trigger, making him miss you constantly. So the more fearful your man is, the more he may start to miss you.